another present here. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome industrial people who have already signed a MOU with us, and some more industry people who have just now signed with us. I extend a great welcome to all. It is my pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Mr. V. Prabhakar, Senior Engineer Lead, Digital VLSI, Dissolved Semiconductor Coimbatore. Welcome you, sir. We are grateful for accepting our invitation to be the chief guest of today's function. On behalf of the management, I once again welcome our chief guest. I extend a warm welcome to our chair of the meeting, Dr. Mohan Kumar, Principal, RVS College of Engineering and Technology. Welcome you, sir. It's my pleasure to welcome the Director, INDUSTRY, Dr. P. Rajendran, who is always motivational for us. We welcome you, sir. Today, we are all assembled here for the Industry Connect, which is being organized. This is the first time in our college. Conclave of Industry Partners under the theme of One Faculty, One Industry. As you are aware, the gap between the academician and industry is widened further and further. The reason being, the academicians are fundamental in the fundamental research, whereas in the industry, they are in the application area. The application and fundamental research linked very narrowly, which is not serving the purpose of employability of students. With this concern, RVS College of Engineering Technology initiated to gather the industrial partners, particularly those who have signed with us, to travel along with us the need of industry. There is a concern in the industry. Students are not upskilled in their education because whatever they know, that may not exactly suit in the industry field. Now, in the industry side, if you see, their growth is exponential. Today one technology, tomorrow one technology. The transition of technology is going very, very fast. Whereas here we are talking only fundamentals. Of course, this fundamental only helps us to develop, but still we need to address the gap. To address this gap, we have organized this conclave of industrial partners today. There are 40 industrial people out here for the information of those who are coming today. The existing partners we have already 25. Today we have signed new MOUs with 15 more partners. Our principal used to tell often, merely signing the MOUs will not work out. The reason being, simply saying 40 MOUs, 50 MOUs, it won't add any value unless there is a sharing between the industry and institution. In the institution, there are many faculties. I do agree they have not visited many of the industries. What is happening in today's technology? So the gap is between student, staff as well as the industry. So now this initiative will help us to know more about the industry. The industry people know about the institution, so that we will jointly work for the benefit of stakeholders. Stakeholders in the sense parents, students as well as the industry. So in this view, I will read few of the industries for the awareness for other people who are here very fastly. And we request from the institution side to help us sharing our views, ideas. In fact, to train our students in the beginning itself. Our students traveling with us for 4 years. If you identify that is a training is required for your industry, you pick up or you adopt few students from the beginning, the end semester leave and vacational leave, all those time you call our students, you train them so that when they cross the degree, they are interview ready person. So with this aspect, I will review all the industry. In mechanical, ARISCAT, Manchester engineers, SJ developers, Hashtag CNC, Sri Lakshmi Engineering Works, Rabbit Industries, Coimbatore Air Control Systems Private Limited, VAM Innovation Limited. In the ADS, Shantaram Sources and ECE, Aspect Technology, Emils Technologies, MP Associates, Able Electronics, Sunrise Technotechs, and Tubac Automation Private Limited, and the SNH DAP Events Dance Academy, Thoughtfulness Educational Trust, and Beyond Biotech LLB, and Silver Queen. In petrochemical, we have Golbio Pax Private Limited. In computer science, Emilch, NetStream, ICT Academy, Elysium Software, ISO Solutions, Horror Design Academy, Blue Code Solutions, and MathS Software. In EEE, we have Maxley Industries, Srivari Motors, Ramkalam Center, Samsung Industries, AR Engineering Services, Electra EV, and Sequos Synergy Private Limited, and EMF Innovations. These are all the few industries which I have rated for your awareness of overall partnering with us. And there is a quote by Henry Ford: coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, working together is a success. So with the same motto, we will work together and attain the success. With this, I conclude this meeting. I once again welcome the heads of the department, staffs, colleagues, student volunteers, coordinators for this MOU functions who have tirelessly worked for past 15 days for arranging this session, and one and all. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, sirs and ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I welcome you once again for coming over here for this wonderful function. And on behalf of the College of Engineering and Technology, my sincere thanks to you all for sparing your time and come over here for this particular function. I think we are reading the newspapers, We are going through the TV channels, news and all regularly. And as per the statistics, we should be very happy that we are the fastest growing economy in the world. That is what is being told by the data. And for this, you people from the industry are the part and parcel of the process for driving this engine of economy, the industry. Even though we call them they are progressing very fast, they are making profits, they are becoming more and more wealthier, there are many challenges for the industry people who will be day and night working in the industry. First of all, the products and services provided by you are to be given at a competitive price, at a higher quality. That is one first thing, because the competition also is very, very high, especially from the foreign marketers, because the whole world has to become a small village now. Right? So every people know, suppose if you take a small product, earlier suppose if you take knitwears, we had a very good contact from Europe and States for our people in Tirupur. Nowadays it has become very competitive because all those days buyers were not aware where the products are available, what are the prices available. But nowadays with the network and the growth in technology, they know that which place is available, at what price is available. So they got the choice for them to go for the purchase. So automatically the industries will be under pressure to give a good service or good quality products at an affordable price. That is our first challenge. If you take the second challenge, yes, as I told, the technological changes, technological advancements, it is drastic. Day by day it is increasing. We are living in a dynamic world. Dynamic in the sense is highly unpredictable. If you take a small case, we all know about the Kodak films. They are a very big industry, highly valuable shares. Now it is nowhere because of the technological advancement. If you are serving industry with a particular product, if you are selling, tomorrow it may become obsolete at any time. Isn't it? Suppose we are making, in a case we are making floppies, then came CD, then came the pen drives, now it is hard disk. We don't have any respect for the floppies and CDs nowadays, right? So technological advancement is like this. Especially the latest one, the AI, it is threatening like anything. Every job is under threat. Every product is under threat. Because with the support of AI, you can make any quality to satisfy any requirement. That is how it is going on. So automatically we are always under threat from the technological side also, from the industry point of view. And especially, again for the industry there is one more challenge is getting the skilled people, skilled graduates, skilled engineers, skilled technocrats. The AI is ruling now. The machines are operated by AI methods. But the thing is, we don't have people to control them or to operate them, to innovate and to use them effectively. There is a shortage of skilled labor or skilled workforce to meet the challenges of the technological advancement. That's the third challenge. If you go to the fourth one, the corporate social responsibility, your responsibility for the society, what you are going to provide. Even though we are telling a rosy figure, like where our GDP is going to be the highest, the fastest, we are having lots of jobs, but if you see the actual situation, the unemployment rate is increasing among the youth. You would have come across in the newspapers. You know that the last 2 to 3 years, the unemployment is increasing. But we are called as the fastest growing economy. Apart from that, in the coming years, this workforce is going to increase. We are going to get more and more people. Automatically see the situation. It is one of the very biggest, it is the biggest challenge for the Indian economy. There is unemployment in the near future, where right now we do not believe it is going to happen. So automatically we have to find new avenues for creating jobs. Earlier it was agriculture which was providing the employment to most of the or majority of the manfolk in India, but now it is going to change. We have to concentrate on services. We have to concentrate on manufacturing. We have to concentrate again on agriculture. Unless otherwise we concentrate in every field of industry and produce more and more and create more and more market, we are going to face a very big challenge for the future youth of this country. There will be unrest if you are not providing job. There will be downward in the standard of living. Every problem we will face. As an industry people, we are responsible for the uplift of the society, not only for making profit for ourselves. The society is going to be very important. So that has to be taken care of. You have to find new avenues, new innovations, new products. That is going to be a challenge for you. That is one thing. Apart from the academic side, the institution side, we are following a traditional teaching learning method progress. Is going on. But thing is, as sir told, we are teaching fundamentals. Is it enough for you? It's not enough for you people. Because you don't have time. The industry people don't have time for training the people and engaging the people. If you get the people or the technocrats or engineers properly trained in your area, you will be happy, you will save your money and more importantly the time. You can observe them, make use of them right at the doors. That is when they enter, you can make use of them. So you will need technocrats. For these people we have to make them ready for you. Earlier the theory part and practical part was there in teaching. Theory is more, practical is less. Nowadays the importance of the practical is increasing. Even if you take the subjects of the latest curriculum, they are giving more importance to the experiments or experimental learning. So learning process is shifting from just teaching and learning to participative learning, experimental learning, experiential learning. That is why you people are going to help us in bringing our students, in molding our students for the future. So that they can be upskilled, they can be skilled and then upskilled. So there is a challenge for us where we need your help to mold the students for the future. Apart from that, another thing is, if you are going to give a chance for the faculty and the students to come with you, they can learn lot and lot from you people, the latest technology, industry atmosphere, what are the problems available in the society, how to face them, how to solve them. We can help the future people, future youth for the country. So with this thing, you have to join together the industry and the institute for the uplift of the society. This is the first point. And there may be so many models to make it successful. There are so many models like Gujarat model, Dravidian model, whatever it may be. We are going to have a Coimbatore model. This model is a very old one. இப்போ தான் அதை பற்றி என்ன பேசுகிறாங்க, அந்த மாடலை பற்றி என்ன பேசுகிறாங்க, இண்டஸ்ட்ரி கூட ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து முதலே ஜாயின் பண்ணணும், நிறைய ஆண்டர்பிரனர்ஸ் வந்து உருவாகணும். You need more and more entrepreneurs. You have to create more and more jobs. See, this culture is built in Coimbatore decades back. If few years back you go to any part of Coimbatore, that is going to be Kannampalayam, wherever you go, you will find only entrepreneurs, self-employed, and they create more jobs. There is a situation required now. You have to create more and more jobs. For that, the only avenue is finding new products and creating new entrepreneurs for the society. For that, we can be using the Coimbatore model, where you people are existing, you people are part and parcel of it. All of you from Coimbatore industry, you have done a very good job without any government support. We are having only private industries Coimbatore supported by the entrepreneurs. This is going to help the future society in a long way. So with this, I welcome you all for joining hands to bring up the society for the future of India. Thank you very much.
Good morning. Good morning, sirs. Thank you. So once again, it's my duty to welcome all of you with a lot of works, schedules you have in front. With our request, you all are here to be a part of this conclave and to witness what is happening here. Thanks to one and all, to all the industrial partners of the institution for being with us, coming over here. I extend my warm welcome to our chief guest, Mr. V. Prabhakar, who is also representing Tesal Semiconductor Private Limited in this conclave. Our dear Director IPSC, conveners of the function, professors, HODs, faculty members, industrial partners representing their industries, media personnel, and my dear students. And it was intimated to you by Dr. Shivakumar as well, Dr. Rajendran, about the present status we are focusing, we are facing as of now, and the purpose of this particular program. Now, as Mr. Shivakumar sir mentioned, this particular words of Henry Ford is a very strong words which built up that company Ford in a massive way. Come together, join together, and work together. You are all come, thanks for that. We are joining together by signing this MOU, and let us work in our future to make this happen in a fruitful way to our kids, students. They are not only students of us, but also kids for many industrial persons and going to be the employees of industries. Definitely, this will be a continuous, successful endeavor in future. With this aim only, this conclave is being planned and is organized today, and I have to thank the organizers, the faculty members, HODs, and dear students for their participation and make this happen and make this happening in a highly successful way. And just before starting this, I would like to inform all the industrial partners what is this all about. and what is our institution. See, nowadays we are being an educational institution, lot of challenges are in front of us. Everyone knows that many engineering colleges and we ourselves are dividing that into three categories: Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3. Not only the classification given by either AICTE or university, but also amongst us, we are classifying with what we are popularly knowing. These type of conclaves will rejuvenate or to transform an institution from its present status to the next level, not only to the institution, right? It is not only to the institution. Here we are having experienced industries, lot of experienced personnel are seen, new industries and even startup industries. So for all industries, experienced industries are coming in front to join hands with the institution, and opportunities are given for startup industries also to grow with us. Even we have some organizations which are providing R&D, research and development, arts, even yoga. See, it is a camouflage of almost all facets of needs of these students. But you see, students are not available here. Few students representing the departments are here. The purpose is, first this transformation is to reach the faculty members, the departments, as well the industry. That is the particular objective today. Before talking few words about this, I would like to inform you all industrialists about the prestige we received in this year. Right? In this 1 year, the college is thriving with the working of leaders as well, faculty members, parents, students and all other stakeholders. We can able to achieve NAC certification with A+ grade. A+ grade nowadays many colleges are getting. But to our satisfaction, we are really practicing what we received as a certification. Right? I would like to proudly say that. Consequently, we received autonomous. Right? Now, RVS College of Engineering and Technology is an autonomous institution declared by UGC and affiliated and approved by Anna University also, with a commitment they expect from us. What is that commitment? Nearly 100 colleges. Because I want to inform you, industry people may not aware of this. Nearly 100 colleges are applying, and the National Education Policy says all the colleges are to be autonomy, to enjoy autonomy. It is not the latest government's proposal. 15 years ago, it was proposed actually in a different format. And now, it is given in a faster rate. Even without quality, many institutions are receiving this status. So university made a checkpoint in front of all the institutions who received autonomous recent days. What is the quality of student? You prove the quality within 2 years, submit to us, we will inspect and we will let you to continue as an autonomous institution. This is the latest information we received, and this is the first initiation to stabilize our autonomous, and definitely by witnessing your presence and how it is happening today, I am sure that our autonomous status will be with us, right? And what is the purpose? Already with MOUs or without MOUs, students are receiving internships, project works, they are visiting industries, they are coming for industrial trips, etc., etc. The purpose is to make it strong, to make a commitment. We want to give our students with all you, right? And I am requesting all the industries who are present here, kindly provide whenever there is a call from our students to your industry, please extend your cooperation for them. You can give a real-time problems of your company to the students, which can be taken up by the students. Let them solve in consultation with the faculty members of the institute here. It may definitely help all of you by reducing your man hours, because this problem is given and you are going to monitor whether it is fitting to our expectation, etc., etc. A project can be given to them, and also I invite all the industrial partners to visit our institution intermittently. Let us have a knowledge share. Even we are ready to offer the expertise of elderly professors we have to all your employees. There may be a win-win situation by mutual training. Faculty members can visit your industry to upskill, not only upskilling of students but also faculty members. They can visit your industry knowing what is going on a latest basis, coming to the classroom, dissipating their knowledge they received from the industry. Similarly, industry people, please send if there is a need for you to have some motivational talk or some training in a particular subject to your faculty, your staff members, you are always welcome to visit the institute, and we are ready to have a session for all of you, a day, an hour or a week session to train your staff members. This is a win-win situation for this program is. Even after autonomous, we have to provide value-added courses to our students to fill the gap in the existing syllabus proposed by university. Now itself, I propose this to all you, that this is going to be done by us only with the help of you. What is your expectation from the students coming out? So that expectation will be provided as a value-added program to the students. Even your staff members may get an opportunity to come and train the students. This is also one thing where we can benefit each other. As the predecessor said, signing MOU, keeping in the file, and whenever it is required, taking it and showing it, not in the purpose. These are all the purpose. I think every one of you will accept that. And nowadays, if you see the ministries, the grants they are offering to industries, institutions are purely based on innovation. Innovation is the talk of the town, talk of the institution, talk of the country. Not only the central government but also state government is focusing towards building up or bringing out the innovative ideas of fresh mind. Who are fresh mind? Students. An industry can always innovate things with the existing knowledge, with the existing product, but the students are totally, they are customers. As a Seedley's design process mentioned, any design will be started off taking the designing process only with the need of the market. So students are fresh in mind. They are visiting so many places. They are seeing something. If this is like this, I think these are all the benefits we can enjoy. Like that, they are, whenever they are going to a mall or a shop or purchasing some food, even in food, they are proposing a lot of changes. Going to other institutions, seeing that this is good in our institute, this is good in their institute, which can be implemented in our institute, like that. So the innovative mind will be with the fresh students. It is to be bring out. And I want to proudly say to all the gathering here that 2 of our projects were selected in the 100 projects selected by Tamil Nadu government in, I think, non-Mudalvan scheme everybody knows, right? This Tamil Nadu government is proposing non-Mudalvan, and it is a fantastic program, and our institute is taking care of it seriously. At least 60% we are taking care of seriously. I don't find many institutes, but really that initiation is very, very good, and they conduct after 2 years of its implementation. Recently they conduct one Niral Trivida. In that they selected, they called for innovative ideas. It's not projects, innovative ideas, right? So with the innovative idea, they selected nearly 10,000 projects. They received more than 6 lakhs ideas throughout the state. They selected 10,000 projects for which they are offering rupees 10,000 each, right, to as a starting up grant. And in that, our 2 projects in our institution is selected for your information. And the next is, from this 10,000, 100 projects are selected by industrialists like you or whoever the government is proposing. The same 2 projects are selected in getting that 1 lakh, 100 projects, 1 lakh per project is offered by government of Tamil Nadu. We are going to get 1 lakh, and we are in this 3rd stage, last stage of the selection process. I would like to inform you proudly. So with this information also, our students are good in innovation, and Dr. Rajendran informed about the threat provided by artificial intelligence. I don't find it as a threat to all of us, to all the industries. We have to update. All the industries are to update. The government organizations are extending their financial support to everything. Whether they are supporting or not, their election proposals are saying a lot of things, right? AI gives us lot of opportunity, lot of changes, lot of innovations. Innovations are definitely going to utilize AI for almost all the industries. lot of scopes are there in every industries by implementing AI. Right? So, all these things are in front of all of us. And another thing I propose to do all the industries is, there is a proposal given by all ministries. Project grants are one up to few crores, from 1 lakh to few crores the government is offering to. If it is up to 50 lakhs, it will be a research grant, and if it starts with 1 crore, then they need an industrial partner. So there is a huge chance for all of you to be a partner to the partnering institutions, to submit a proposal through the institution, or whenever we are submitting, we will take you also along with us, so that with that money, I think we can propose lot of research and development in the industrial manufacturing, or whatever be the activities they are carrying out in the industry. But the basic thing, it will happen in the institution. There is a high chance for growing together, right? So whenever I am asking all my heads of the departments, utilize all the industries. Whenever you are submitting proposal, take them along with you, right, when you are submitting that. So with this, right, I think I have mentioned the purpose and the need of the hour, and how we both can help each other to achieve a win-win situation. I expect all your cooperation in the future, and I expect this day will continue for a long time. Thank you once again for being with us today, and all the very best for future endeavors. Thank you.